So why is it important to have 16-inch centers, to have 12-inch centers, to have 24-inch centers, whatever you want behind the wall or in the ceiling? What we're looking at here is hanging a TV up. We've all tried to hang a TV up in our room, in our house, and what happens is you're tapping on the wall, right? And what we're at right now, there's a 16, we know there's a stud right there, but we know also, after we've drilled all these little holes in the wall, that there's not another one 16 inches away. And when we try to put our TV mount up, when we try to put it up, it'll fall out, it'll tear the sheetrock out, it'll cause issues. If you're trying to hang a cabinet, the cabinet maker's trying to hang it, you're causing them issues. So why is it important that your labor force, your unskilled labor force, or just people that are learning, get that on 16? Because simple things like your TV have to be mounted correct, and they have to have studs, they have to have something to mount to. This is a 16-inch tutorial. You can see here, here's your 3/4 inch offset. Wanted to show where that lines up. So we've got this nailed, that second stud nailed, just for ease of showing you in the video. Now you nail that third stud, go back to the first stud here, put it flush on the end, nail it. Now that shows you here that we are directly on center. You've got 16, you've got 32, extend out down the line.